Watch this video and learn how to draw a GumBall machine. Later on, Bunny Fluffington's in a dance break. And watch to the end to see Mikey's joke break. Are you ready, little artists? It's time for Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello. Welcome to Artie's show.
I had an idea what we could do today, Artie.
Yeah?
Let's do some art.
Yeah?
A drawing.
Wow. This is gonna be awesome. Yeah. Whoa.
It's great to see everybody today.
It's a real pleasure.
What do you want to draw today, Artie?
I don't really know what I want to draw.
Do you want me to help you with an idea?
Yes, please.
You know those GumBall machines?
Yeah?
Well, let's draw one of those.
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Okay.
Here we go then.
There's nothing more exciting than Artie's blank piece of paper.
Start by drawing a small circle somewhere in the lower half of the page. We normally start by drawing eyes, don't we, Artie? But this isn't an eye.
Yeah.
We're actually going to start by drawing lots and lots of gumballs, or bubble gumballs. Lots of little circles, all clustered together in the bottom half of the page. If Artie's drawing too quickly for you, here's a message from Barry.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Well, I don't know about that, Barry, but thank you very much. That was really helpful. Now carry on drawing your gumballs, Artie. Just all over the bottom half of the page. Just randomly place them.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Well, we love art as well, Betty and Mikey. You know what this drawing looks like so far, Artie? It looks like a plate of peas. Oh, I love peas. Try and make some of the circles overlap, Artie, so you'll only draw part of a circle, and then you can cover the bit that you didn't draw with a new circle.
Wow, Artie, those lines, those shapes, I wanna sing. Bye.
Barry always has to sing. I don't know why that is. That dog loves to sing.
Yeah.
Artie, after we've finished this drawing, if you like, we can go to the store. You know that store on the corner that has a GumBall machine?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay. Oh.
Okay, we'll go later. We'll take Betty and Mikey with us. And I guess we could take Barry, as long as he doesn't sing too much. Well, I think you've drawn enough gumballs, Artie. Very good job.
Oh, let's have a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah,
Why are we whispering?
please.
Okay, have a dance break.
Dance break! Yay! Woohoo!
This is making me want to dance.
Me too.
dressing room, darling. I mean, Fantastico. Fantastico 10.
You know, Bunny Fluffington is so cute, she makes me want to sing. Oh!
Oh, that was a really fun dance break.
It was. Should we carry on
Yeah.
with the drawing?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Now it's time to draw the big glass ball that surrounds all the little gumballs. That's good, Artie. Coming up, Mikey Marker does a really funny joke break. Now let's draw the right side. Try and make it match what you drew on the left side if you can.
Oh, that music sounds nice. Oh no, that's Painty's music.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Painty, you've made a mess again. And it's the same coloured paint as Barry's fur. Maybe we won't wash it off him. You won't see it.
No. No.
Okay, I'll wash it off Barry. Now let's draw the lid of the GumBall machine. Another line all the way across the top, Artie.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
Let's add 2 more little half circles, one on the left, one on the right. That's it. And then let's connect those 2 all the way across again.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Hi. Ooh. I think it would look better if you added a carrot.
Carrot?
Yeah. Carrots make everything better.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Hi.
Well, I've heard of a GumBall machine, but I've never heard of a carrot machine. Maybe we can draw that tomorrow, Artie. Bunny would really like that. The lid of our GumBall machine's looking really good, Artie. Now let's draw a dome on the top. Just a half circle. That's it. Looks like you're enjoying this drawing, Artie.
Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, yeah.
Now let's start drawing the base of our GumBall machine. A little half circle on the left, a little half circle on the right, and then connect across one side to the other. Very good. Now let's draw an angled line, a straight line, down from the left side, and then another one on the right. Make sure it's angled out. That's it.
Look at Artie go! Wow!
Now we'll add a little half circle at the bottom, and then another one on the right. And connect those 2 little half circles with one line going all the way across, left side to the right. But make sure that that line has a curve to it. Again at the bottom. That's it, Artie.
Oh, I think it's time for a little break.
A break? Okay, what kind of break?
A joke break.
A joke break?
Yeah. Mikey, time for a joke break.
Hey, welcome back to your favorite part of the show. Here I am again, Mikey Marker, with another joke break. So, what's a banana's favorite way to say thank you? Thanks a bunch. What's an apple's favorite way to fly? Fruit fly.
Oh, Mikey, you're so silly.
Why did the peach buy deodorant? To freshen up its pits.
Oh, Mikey.
That was a good joke break, Artie.
Mikey made funny jokes.
Yeah, he's quite a funny guy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's finish our drawing.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Now on the base of our GumBall machine, let's draw a hook shape on the left and another hook shape on the right. Then connect the 2 hooks together along the bottom. That's the part of the machine that you put your money in.
Yeah.
let's add another circle that's the same shape as a coin. What kind of shape is that, Artie?
A circle, of course.
That's right. Coins are a circle shape. This is looking really good, Artie. It looks like it's nearly finished.
That's delightful.
That's a big word.
Oh, Artie, I've had a really good idea. Go and get one of those thinner pens. You know the thin marker pens? Yes, one of those. Now on the left side of the glass bowl, draw a thin curved line and another one beside it. Connect those together, and now it's going to look like a little reflection of a window. That's it.
Oh, this is the best day ever.
Oh, I'm pleased you're having fun, Artie. Now let's draw another 2 windows beside the first ones, and it'll look like 4 window panes reflecting in the glass bowl. It helps to make the glass look shiny, like it's reflective. Wow, Artie, I think you might be done.
It's finished.
It came out really good, Artie.
Yeah. Can I color it in now, please?
Of course you can.
Okay.
It's coloring time!
Artie's finished.
Great job, Artie. It came out really, really good.
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
I love all the bright colours you used.
Artie, very proud.
Bye, Artie.
See you later, little artists. And don't forget,
Have an Artie day.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for watching the Artie Show. Artie loves you, and I hope I see you all really soon. Bye-bye for now. Bye.